Here's a review on the Vankyo Leisure 3 portable projector with a carrying bag. This is a 1080p resolution projector, and it's really nice. It comes with upgraded 2019 specs, full 1080p, comes with a carrying case that you can see here. Really nice, everything you needed, padded. Got your logo right here. Open it up. And most companies don't give you a carrying case, so this is a great extra feature. Inside you get your quick start guide. Right here you get a Leisure 3 manual, and then you get a way to reach out to the company. Inside the bag you get a remote controller. You do need batteries, does not come with batteries. You get an RCA cable to stereo. You get a VGA cable for hooking up a computer monitor or something like that. You get your power cable right there, and then you get an HDMI cable. So you can hook up a computer or anything that has an HDMI to HDMI. So that's going to work great. Your cable box, your Xbox, your PS4. You can hook up a Fire Stick to this. You can do a lot of options. You can hook up Android phones, iPhones, but you are going to need a separate adapter for those. So you're going to want to make sure that you get whatever type of smartphone you have, the right type of adapter to HDMI to work with this. So inside you get two straps. Hold it down really nice. And there's your projector. Get your branding right there. Get all your buttons right here. Power button, back button, your navigation buttons, and your two other buttons. You have your keystone button and your focus right there. And then there's your caution, do not look into the lens. Over there you have an IR blaster. You have a speaker right there. You're going to have your power port. This is your front lens with a cover on it. You want to make sure you keep dust and stuff out of there. Some more branding. Down there is another meter. And then you get some rubber areas right there and another speaker. So there's your cooling fan. Over here you get a micro SD card slot. You have a headphone jack, AV jack, HDMI, a USB, and then your VGA. So you have all the ports that you could possibly need to hook this up to anything. Has two built-in speakers, so you don't need a speaker for it anymore. This thing it's all in one package. Like I mentioned before, compatible laptops, smartphones, pads, Fire TVs, etc. You can also hook up with any type of phone. This does not have Dolby sound, so you're going to need to turn that off in your audio settings if you're hooking it up to something and it has Dolby sound, and you notice that you don't have sound coming through, then you're going to have to turn off Dolby sound. That's going to be an issue that you need to take care of. But you have everything that you need right here. What also comes with, or actually you're going to have to buy separately, a screen. I'm going to showcase that in a second, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. So we'll get into that in 1 second. So here is the screen. I had to set it up off the top of my curtains. It's fairly big, really top quality. Also comes with a carrying case, so you can see it there. Takes up a whole side of my wall, so you're definitely gonna need room for this, or you can just use a wall to project or a roof. They also make blow up outdoor screens that you can use for a movie night, for the kids, parties, things like that, playing video games outside. Really cool, but this is the option I have right now, so we're going to get into the way it looks. Here's a sample of the quality. Really gorgeous. Didn't put it on the screen, I put it on my wall because my room setup, the screen was a little bit too small. So this is what it's going to look like. Look at the colors. Really nice. Here are the speakers. Great little setup. In my opinion, I would pick up the stand for it, but if not, you can set up some kind of setup to get the projector to be high enough to where you need it to be. But I think the stand would be perfect, the adjustable stand that they make.